So iPad 8 Gen and iPad mini 5. Which iPad should you purchase? Basically in this video I am going to talk about or I am going to compare iPad 8 and iPad mini 5. So hi friends, you're watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. First, I am going to talk about the specifications of these two iPads. First, I am going to start with iPad 8. iPad 8 has 10.2-inch Retina display with the resolution of 2160 into 1620 pixels at 264 ppi. It has 500 nits brightness. Color variants are silver, space gray, and gold. Talking about the storage variants, it is available in 32 GB and 128 GB. Inbox contents: along with the iPad you will get some documentations and also USB-C power adapter and lightning to USB-C cable. It has Apple's A12 Bionic chip. Talking about the cameras, rear camera is of 8 megapixel and front camera is of 1.2 megapixel. There are stereo speakers, touch ID is present. iPad 8 has 8827 mAh battery. In terms of sensors, you will get accelerometer sensor, barometer sensor, ambient light sensor, and 3-axis gyro sensor. Okay, this was about iPad 8. Now let's talk about iPad mini 5. Talking about iPad mini 5, it has 7.9-inch Retina display with the resolution of 2048 into 1536 pixels at 326 ppi. It has true tone display, fully laminated display. There is anti-reflective coating also. Also it has wide color display. It has 500 nits brightness. Talking about the color variants, it is available in space gray, silver and gold color. Storage variants are 64 GB and 256 GB. Inbox contents: along with the iPad, you will get some documentations, lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. It has Apple's A12 Bionic chip. In terms of cameras, you will get 8 megapixel rear camera and 7 megapixel front camera. There are stereo speakers, touch ID is present. iPad mini 5 has 5124 mAh battery. In terms of sensors, you will get accelerometer sensor, barometer sensor, ambient light sensor, and 3-axis gyro sensor. I think that you might have noticed the difference. First thing is related to display. In iPad mini 5, iPad mini 5 has small display of 7.9 inch, iPad 8 has big display of 10.2 inch. But in iPad mini 5 there is anti-reflective coating, true tone display, wide color display, and also it has fully laminated display. Now it has fully laminated display, that means there is no gap between the display and the main glass. Also there is anti-reflective coating, that means when you will use iPad mini 5 in direct sunlight, there will be less reflections as compared to iPad 8. Now in terms of inbox contents, both of these iPads are different. In iPad 8, in the box of iPad 8, you will get 20-watt Type-C charger along with the Type-C to Lightning cable. But in iPad mini 5, you will get normal 10 or 12-watt charger along with that USB to Lightning cable. So this is another difference. Talking about the chipset, both of these iPads have same Apple's A12 chip, which is really good in terms of performance, and in day-to-day tasks there will be no issue. And also if you want to do heavy gaming or heavy editing, then also you can do it. I am using iPad mini 5 and I have not faced any issue regarding the performance. A12 chip is really good even in 2021. Talking about the cameras, rear camera is of 8 megapixel in iPad 8 also and in iPad mini 5 also. Talking about the front camera of iPad 8 is of 1.2 megapixel and front camera of iPad mini 5 is of 7 megapixel. Now if you want better front camera, then you can consider iPad mini 5. But cameras are average in iPad 8 also and in iPad mini 5 also. And we don't use iPads to take some professional photos or videos. We just use them to scan the documents, and mostly we use iPads for online lectures. But if you want better front camera, then you can consider iPad mini 5. Both these iPads have stereo speakers. Also there is touch ID in both these iPads, and also in terms of sensors they are same. But in terms of battery capacity, iPad 8 has better battery. It has 8827 mAh battery, and iPad mini 5 has 5124 mAh battery. Now as iPad 8 has 10.2 inch screen, so there is big battery, and as iPad mini 5 has small screen of 7.9 inch, so there is less battery. But in terms of battery backup, they are almost same. Okay, you can say that they are almost same, but it depends on you that if you want fast charger or not. iPad 8 comes with 20 watt type C fast charger, but iPad mini 5 comes with 10 or 12 watt charger. Now if you will compare the charging speed also, then also there is not much difference between these two iPads. But if you want fast charging in iPad mini 5, then you have to purchase 20 watt type C charger separately. Okay, and also type C to lightning cable. But in iPad 8 you will get 20 watt charger and type C to lightning cable in the box. Now let's talk about the price of these two iPads. First I'm going to talk about the price of iPad 8. Starting price of iPad 8 32GB Wi-Fi only model is of nearly 29,000 rupees, and if you want Wi-Fi plus cellular model, then price is 41,900 rupees. iPad mini 5, starting price of iPad mini 5 64GB Wi-Fi only model is rupees 32,900, and Wi-Fi plus cellular model is of nearly 45,900 rupees. So which iPad should you buy? It depends on you. If you want compact size iPad, then you can purchase iPad mini 5. If you want really large screen of 10.2 inch, then you can consider iPad 8. But if you want anti-reflective coating, true tone display, then you can consider iPad mini 5. But I will suggest, if you're artist and if you want to do painting or if you want to design something on your iPad, then consider iPad 8 because it has large display of 10.2 inch. Also, if you want to open multiple applications, then also I will suggest that you should purchase iPad 8 because it has 10.2 inch screen. But one main thing in iPad mini 5 is that it comes with 64GB base variant. iPad 8 has 32GB base variant. So 32GB, I think it is not enough. 64GB is sufficient, but 32GB is not enough. If you want to purchase iPad 8, then I think you should purchase 128GB variant. iPad 8 supports Apple Pencil first generation, and same goes with iPad mini 5. It also supports Apple Pencil first generation, but iPad 8 also has smart connector. You can use Apple Smart Keyboard with iPad 8 because it has smart connector. It gets connected using that smart connector or with those pins, but you cannot use it with iPad mini 5. It does not have smart connector, and you can use any other Bluetooth keyboard. If you have any Bluetooth keyboard, then you can use it with iPad mini 5 also or with iPad 8 also. If you have budget of nearly 30,000 rupees, then I will suggest that you should purchase iPad 8 generation. But if you can extend your budget till 33 or 34,000 rupees, then you should purchase iPad mini 5 because it has 64GB base variant. iPad 8 has only 32GB base variant. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is Soumil_AT. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.